Isaac. Hey, buddy. See my fingers? You have the hiccups, huh, bud? I'll block the sun. Here, look up here. Isaac. Look up here. Do you have hiccups? Do you have hiccups? Hi, bud. Isaac, do you have the hiccups? Yep. Oh, hiccup. Hiccup. Look up here, bud. Look up here. Look up here at the camera. Come on, this way. There you go. What's up, buddy? Look up here. You got the hiccups? Here, give me a good squeeze. Here. Give me a good squeeze. Arrgh, get me. You have the hiccups? Oh man, those are some big hiccups. Oh, you got me? You got me? Huh? You got me? Huh? I see you. I see you. Isaac. Hey, bud. Hey, Isaac. Isaac, can you look up here, bud? Hey. Isaac. Look up. What are you looking at over there? Yeah, what are you looking at? What do you see? What do you see, bud, huh? What do you see? Hi. Ooh, bless you. Bless you. What's over here? What's over here? You want to do a little tummy time? Hmm? Hey, Isaac. Hey. Isaac. Isaac. What are you doing? You trying to eat the bed? What are you doing? Isaac. Look over here. Hey, buddy. Oh, does that taste good? You gonna eat it? Just because something touches your cheek doesn't mean it's time to eat, bud. Isaac. Isaac. You do a lot better with tummy time than your sister did. Yeah, you move around a lot. Yeah. Of course, I think you always think it's time to eat. What do you see? What do you see? Still got those hiccups, huh? Still got those hiccups. Arr, arr, arr. Alright, losing you here. Kicking those feet. Oh, you're gonna turn back? You come back. Oh, go back. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going, Isaac? Hmm? Still got those hiccups. Isaac. Isaac. Bud. Isaac. You had about enough at the tummy time? Yeah. Alright. Alright. Here we go. There we go. Come on. Okay, bud. Okay. There we go. There we go. Rolling over. Tuck your arm. Tuck the arm. Tuck the arm and roll. Oh wait, you can roll back now? I'm gonna try and get back. Oh, get the leg around. You can do it, buddy. Yeah, you're on your side. You're not on your side too much, are you? Alright. Alright, bud. Alright. Let's see what those feet are doing. You working out? You exercising those muscles? You getting strong? You're still looking all around, aren't you? Isaac. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Isaac. Are your hiccups gone? Did you get rid of those? Did you get rid of your hiccups? I don't know, maybe you did. I don't hear any more hiccups. Got a little furry ear. Ooh, bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Does that feel better? Don't hide, bud. You gonna go to sleep there? You're just so chill. You are so chill, Isaac. Look at this hair on your ear. What's all this hair doing on here? Look at that big old tuft of hair. What's that all about? Can you see that? Look at that thing. Look at that hair. Like a bunch of hair. Alright. Should we sign off, bud? Do you want a little more interaction? Let's sign off. Say goodbye. Say bye. I think you did get rid of the hiccups.